Okay, here's the theater room. I'll start with what's on the outside of it. This is my basement leading just into the open area. Okay, this wall here, obviously into the hallway, and then this bathroom for the basement as well. This is unfinished part. The height of the hallway ceiling is lower than the height of the ceiling room ceiling. So you have these hollow cavities because the ceiling of the hallway is right here. And then the rest of that leading into the house. Okay, and above the theater room is 2 bedrooms. Poor design, obviously, for soundproofing. But this is my daughter's bedroom all above here. And then there's a little bathroom. And then this is a 2nd bedroom. Okay, so we'll go over what the construction of everything is. First of all, there is a soffit, I guess you'd call it, a kick down to house all this plumbing, which is attached to the floor joists. Here, it is also attached to the studded wall, which, I don't really know exactly the construction, but that's what it looks like. This here will go away because I'm taking away all air into this house, into this room. This wall starts the front porch, so above here is a front porch, like kicked back that way. Now above here is the bedroom, okay? Over here, this is unfortunately a sump pump room. So this area has that door, and that is for the electronics here, and where the sump pump is. Now the risers, which are the step-ups underneath these, it's just hollow. But this drywall goes all the way down to the floor because it was put in before they built the riser. So that's that room. The back wall doesn't have a top plate, so I don't know if clips are needed. Not sure. Then this isn't, obviously this is outside wall here. This one has a top plate screwed on the back side of the floor joist. So that's how that goes. This is a main beam going across for this. In this kick down, there is a lot of heat, cooling, plumbing, all kinds of stuff in this kick down. And that's right above my daughter's room. This part is, again, just, this is a poured wall, but on the other side of this is the basement still. That wall was just added for support to the house. And then this cavity is hollow. It's got about 1.5 foot hollow gap between the room here for that finished side of the basement. Then there's 1.5 foot, and then this wall. And this is going to be my screen wall, and I'm painting on the screen. And there's another I-beam. So that's how that's set up. That's pretty much the setup. Here is showing the risers. This is the soffit box, which is about 12 feet wide and about 9.5 feet long and about 15 inches tall. So maybe, I don't know if using the clips and furring channel on everything, walls, soffit, ceiling, means that I don't have to decouple this. But if I do, I do. Just that's how my room's set up. I want to get a quote for the materials you think I'll need. I can make the measurements once you tell me what you want us to do where, and get everything ordered. and go from there. Yeah, and we're talking about doing another thing is the 2 sheets of drywall between the joist, wondering if they should go directly attached to the subfloor, or there is this piece of wood right here, right there, that drops down maybe a ½ inch, and should it go on the outside of that or what? It's basically the overlapped part of the top of that I-beam. So does it go attached to the subfloor or to that overlap part when I do the 2 layers with the green glue sandwiched in between? And that's that. And we are also taking out these cooling ducts. These are going. Thank you.